In this video, you are going to see how to put tables side by side in Google Docs. As you can see here, let's get started. To put the table side by side, go to Insert, go to Table. Let us choose a 2 by 1 table. Then click on the first cell, go to Insert, go to Table and choose your desired table from here. Let us choose 3 by 3 table. Then click on the second cell, go to Insert, go to Table and choose another 3 by 3 table. Now I have to remove the border of the main table. Then click on under the second table and hit Enter. Then click on this small arrow key in the right side. Go to Format, go to Table, go to Table Option. Then go to Table Border and under the On point, click on 0 point and here you will see the magic. I have put two tables side by side. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.